Not too much on Miss Kimberly Jones now, y'all. We done been going through this for years and years and years. Kim face been changed. Like, are we not used to it at this point? EBONY Magazine dropped its cover for 50 years of hip hop. They are celebrating with a cover of Lil Kim. And the people are once again acting as if this is their first time seeing Lil Kim's new face. We get it. Y'all don't like it. Y'all don't like the way she looks and all of that. But it's just a shame that people just constantly attack people's physical appearance, knowing that everyone has a flaw, regardless to whether you created it for yourself or not. And the reason why I would never get on social media and comment on somebody's actual looks is because imagine if your comment was the comment that made them go jump off a bridge. No. But what I really want to get into even more is the fact that none of the girls look like they pictured. None of the girls look like their regular face or what their face actually looks like. Why? Because filters, makeup, contouring, and all of that has changed the look of tons of people. So if you're not getting under your girlfriend or your homie's picture and saying, girl, why you Photoshop this picture? Or girl, that's looking a mess. Because your homies do it too. Where's that energy for them? Because they're literally doing the same thing. And on top of that, they can see your comments sticking out at the shade room and see what you're writing under there about them. Now, surgery is so common now at this point that we should be so used to it. Y'all should be overlooking this by now. Like, come on, like, can we move on as a people? Because I'm tired. Again, social media is just always going to be a testament to how fake women are, because y'all are the same girls that get under the people that you know or the people from your neighborhood, the hood celebrities, and say, yes, girl, yes. When you know her BBL looks a mess, you know her makeup looks a mess, you can see the squiggly mirror in the background, and you know that the picture is heavily edited, and y'all still get under, like, y'all is just so fake. I can't take it. I don't know. That's just a weird vibe to me, to get on social media and comment on somebody else's looks. Like, talk about it amongst your girlfriends, that's one thing. But to actually comment and post it to the actual person, like, I think you might need therapy.